Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Ram emblems. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a heat gun or hair dryer, some strong fishing line, a plastic trim tool or scraper, and a good adhesive remover. Also, have your new emblem ready to go. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit space to see everything clearly and ensure a smooth process. Now, let's get that old emblem off. Start by gently heating the emblem with a heat gun or hair dryer for about 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive. Next, take a 2 to 3 foot piece of 50-pound test fishing line and slide it behind the emblem. Use a steady sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Once loosened, carefully pry the emblem off with a plastic scraper, being mindful not to scratch your truck's paint. With the old emblem gone, it's time for a thorough cleaning. First, use an automotive adhesive remover and a soft microfiber towel to eliminate any leftover sticky residue. Then, wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol to ensure the surface is completely free of wax or oils, which is crucial for proper adhesion. Finally, use painter's tape to precisely mark where your new emblem will go, ensuring perfect alignment. You're almost done. Carefully peel the protective backing from your new emblem's adhesive, avoiding touching the sticky surface. Align the emblem perfectly with the painter's tape marks you made earlier. Once aligned, press the emblem firmly onto the surface. Apply consistent, even pressure for at least 60 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds securely. Remove the tape, and your new Dodge Ram emblem is ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.